your kitchen again.
Ya makuru yanyu uyu ni Nancy uri mu gikoni ubugira kandi.
Today we're going to talk about making a salad.
Ya tunono munsi tugiye kuyagaho ukuntu bahingura canke bategura isalade.
I hope in the next time we meet, we can go into more detail about the vegetables that we're using.
Ya tariko ubutaha nitwa dufise umwanya tuzorebera hamwe ibijanye n'ibintu by'imbogaboga zitandukanye tushobora kuba twakoresha.
But what I want you to know is that you don't always just have to eat your vegetables cooked. You can eat them raw or uncooked as well.
Ya ati ntibisigura yuko imbogaboga misi yose mukwiye kwama muzirya uko zitetse, hari n'igihe bisaba ko muzirya ari mbisi.
Some of the vegetables actually give you more health, more nutrition when they are eaten raw and not cooked.
Ya ati imbogaboga zimwe zimwe z'amababi zimwe zimwe ziryoha canke zigira akamaro mu mubiri iyo uziriye zidatetse.
Today we're going to talk about making a salad dressing, which is like a sauce to put on your cold vegetables.
Ya tuno munsi tugiye kuraba noneho ukuntu dushobora kurunga canke ukuntu tuba twakora tugategura isalade.
In America, a lot of people buy dressing in a bottle in a store. We're going to make our own.
Ya turashaka gukoresha amavuta mu tuba twaguze muri store amakayo tukavyikorera twe bwacu nyene.
All you need is a jar with a lid.
And
we're going to add ingredients to a little glass jar.
Oh, okay. Ibi navyo ni ibirungo bimwe bimwe dushaka gukoresha.
The very, very simple part of making a dressing is to start with olive oil or whatever oil you have in your home.
Ya tinza rero kubitegura ikintu ca mbere utangura kwikoresha amavuta aya ngaya tuba dufise muhira.
And you use about 3 spoonfuls of the oil.
Ya tushaka gukoresha amavuta nk'ibiyiko nka bitatu byo mu gikoni.
Then you're going to add something to make it less greasy, like lemon juice.
Ya ukeneye ko biza koroha kandi bikoroherera rwose ukoresha n'amazi y'indimu.
And you can squeeze your lemon juice and put about 1 spoonful of that in there.
Ya ushobora gufata rero nk'amazi yuzuye nk'ikiyiko kimwe cyo mu gikoni y'juice ugasukamo.
But some people don't like lemon juice. You can also use something like vinegar.
Ya abantu bamwe ntibakoresha intuzeye indimu bakoresha vinegar n'andi mavuta y'ubundi bwoko bwa vinegar.
And add it to your jar.
Canke ukongeramo navyo bya yavuze ko ari birungo.
The recipe that I found uses mayonnaise.
Ya ibindi birungo abona kumengo byashirwamwo ni ico bita mayonnaise.
But a lot of people don't use mayonnaise. They don't own mayonnaise.
Ariko abantu benshi ntabwo bajya bakunda mayonnaise.
So instead, you can mash up some avocado and put in about a spoonful of avocado.
Ya mu gishingo rero cha mayonnaise ushobora gukoresha avoka akaba ari ryo ushiramo.
And another way that people sometimes enjoy it, the way I like it, is you use a nut butter, like a sunflower butter or butter that you get and you don't know what to do with.
Ya abandi nabo bivanye ariko jewe ntabwo mbikunda bajya bakoresha iyi nuts canke ico bita ni ubunyobwa buba bwarakuzwe bukategurwa ukundi kuntu.
And you just put a small spoonful of nut butter in your dressing.
Ya rero ushobora gufata dukeyi muri ico gikopo kirimo ivyo bunyobwa bwakubwe cyangwa bumeze ukundi kuntu ugashiramo nk'ikiyiko kimwe.
You want to add a little spice to the dressing. So the recipe calls for mustard, a spoonful of mustard.
ya ati ubwo rero urashobora gushiramo n'agapiripiri gake kugira ngo noneho bikare gato ushobora gukoresha icyo bita mustard.
But if you don't like mustard, you can also use something else that has a little spice to it, like wasabi.
Ya ariko udakoresheje noneho iyo mustard duhejeje urashaka gukoresha what did you show me?
Wasabi, it's a more of an Asian flavoring.
Oh yeah. Ati udakoresheje rero iyo akaba gacanze n'iyo mustard ushobora guca gukoresha n'ayindi y'ubundi bwoko ubushatse.
Or you could leave it out completely.
Ati cyangwa ukabyihoreranye ukabireka bwongo.
You flavor it with a little pepper, a little salt.
Ya akapiripiri ugafite ngaho ufite n'akunyu.
And some people like it with a little sweetness. You can use honey or maple syrup, but just a tiny bit.
Ya ariko benshi hari igihe basanga gushiramo ibintu byinshi bakagomba ko biza gusosoroka cyangwa biza kugira akasosere bagasukamo n'ubuki.
And you shake it up in your jar. And I just want to show you if you can see. Do you see how it has layers? There's a top layer and a bottom layer.
Ati ibyo byose twadondaguye ushobora kubishira mu ikopo nka kuriya hama ukabicocanga ukabicocerana hamwe hama bikamera nk'uko ubwoko ariko arabibereka.
That's because you have to shake it to get the ingredients to mix up.
Ya ati ubwo rero bijya byose twadondaguye urashaka kuca ubishira mu ikopo ukaba wabigize nk'uko nguko hama ukaca uzungagiza kugira ngo noneho ihwane.
And that's your salad dressing.
Ya ati ibyo rero nibyo twita ngo salad dressing canke igirungo cyo kugira ngo kiryoshye iyo salad.
And that will help you to taste tastes on your vegetables.
Say it again.
That'll add some flavor to the vegetables that you're going to be eating.
Ya tubwo rero uza gusanga harimo akanovere muri izo salade ubugiye kuza kufungura.
People like garlic, and we can add that as well, but always to your own taste.
Ya ati abantu rero usanga bakunda ibintu byinshi bashaka kongeraho n'ibindi ariko bivana n'ukuntu wewe wumva uryoherwa.
Next time we talk, we'll talk more about the actual vegetables that we will be eating.
Ya ariko ubutaha turashaka kuvugana noneho no ku zindi mbogaboga uretse aya masalade tuzoshobora kuba turiko turarya.
I hope you enjoy this, and we'll talk again.
Ya tubwo rero turashimye ko mubanye natwe tuzasubira ubutaha. Bye.